5 ways you can boost dopamine levels naturally. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that is released in the brain that makes you feel happy, satisfied, and motivated. When you feel good about something you've accomplished, it's because your brain has a spike of dopamine. It's often referred to as the feel-good chemical of the brain and plays a crucial role in our special capacity for thought and planning. It encourages us to work hard, concentrate, and find things intriguing. Things like enjoying nice cuisine, having sex, winning a game, and making money give us tremendous dopamine surges. But they often leave us with an empty feeling when the high is finished. However, there are natural ways to give our dopamine levels a long-lasting boost. Here are 5 ways to increase dopamine levels naturally. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get started. Listen to music more frequently. According to a number of brain imaging studies, listening to music enhances activity in the brain's reward and pleasure centers, which are teeming with dopamine receptors. Take those sunny morning walks. Exposure to sunlight can increase dopamine levels. Few things can compare to getting some lovely vitamin D just after waking up. As soon as you can, get outside so the sun can reward you with elevated dopamine levels. Get adequate sleep every night. Lack of sleep can make the brain less sensitive to dopamine, which makes one feel sleepy all the time. Getting a good night's rest can help regulate your body's natural dopamine rhythms. Increase protein intake. Dopamine is produced from the amino acids tyrosine and phenylalanine, which can be found in protein-rich meals. High intakes of these amino acids can boost dopamine levels. Cut back on screen time. Your brain may experience unpleasant withdrawal symptoms at first because it is so accustomed to receiving cheap dopamine on demand from your phone. You will often experience more happiness throughout the day after a reset. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and check out description for more.